Hello guys, today we are going to see how to create mobile application using Ionic framework and Loopback server. Let's take a look at the requirements of Ionic framework and Loopback server. First, take a look of Ionic framework requirements. First of all, you need to have a Node.js installed on your system. If you haven't installed Node.js on your system, you can install from Node.js site. Let me show you what version of Node.js do I have on my system. I have installed 8.9.4 as you can see, latest version of Node.js and NPM version as well. So let's take a look of requirements of Ionic. If you haven't installed Ionic framework on your system, then you can install using this command. This will install Ionic and Cordova both on your system. So in this way you can install the Ionic framework. Let me show you the Ionic version which I have installed on my system. So Ionic, I have installed latest version which is Ionic 3. So next thing which we need is Angular. You need to install latest Angular CLI to use a latest version of Angular. So I have installed latest version of Angular CLI with me. So next move to the requirements of Loopback. Loopback also requires Node.js, which we already have on our system. And if to install Loopback, you need to install this using npm install -g loopback CLI. If you haven't installed Loopback, then you can install this by using Loopback CLI. Then you can check your version using lb version command. So I have installed latest version of Loopback with me. The next thing which we need is a database for our server, Loopback server. In this case I'm using MongoDB, so I have installed the latest version of MongoDB, which is 3.6. So that's all for the Ionic and Loopback requirements and setup. Now we will move forward where we will create our Loopback server for Ionic application. Thanks for watching.